Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn a picture into a sticker on WhatsApp. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The first thing we need to do is download the Sticker Maker app from the Google Play Store. There are several apps available, such as Stickerly, Sticker Maker for WhatsApp, or personal stickers for WhatsApp. So I'm gonna choose Stickerly, or you can install the one you preferred. Once you're in the app, tap on the plus button, then tap on the allow access to all photos. Choose the option regular to create a new sticker pack. You'll be prompted to choose an image from your gallery. Select the picture you want to turn into a sticker. The app will allow you to crop and edit the image to focus on the desired part. Now tap on the lasso. You can use your fingers to draw manually, or you can use the cut to automatically cut your edges, which does not work all the times. So let's do this manually. You can use your fingers to resize and crop the image accordingly. Some apps also offer editing tools to enhance the picture. Some Sticker Maker apps allow you to add text, emojis, or decorations to your sticker. If you want to, you can customize the sticker further by adding these elements. And now, once you're satisfied with the edited image, save it as a sticker. The app will guide you through the process, allowing you to name your sticker and save it in a specific sticker pack. After saving the sticker, it will be added to your sticker pack within the app. And from there, you can directly import the sticker pack to your WhatsApp. And you just have to follow the app's instructions to do this, usually by tapping on the Add to WhatsApp or similar option. And finally, you can able to use the sticker to your WhatsApp. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.